Demo. Reading a CSV file. To read a CSV file in Python, we can use the CSV module. We first need to import the module, then open the file using the open function. We can then use the CSV reader function to read the contents of the file. This will return an iterable object that we can loop over to access each row of the CSV file. Writing to a CSV file. To write to a CSV file in Python, we can use the CSV module. We first need to import the module, then open the file using the open function with the mode set to W. We can then use the CSV writer function to create a writer object. We can use the writer object's write row method to write rows to the CSV file. Closing files. After we are done working with the file, it is important to close it using the close method. This ensures that any changes made to the file are saved and that system resources are freed up. Alternatively, we can use the with statement to automatically close the file after we are done with it. This is a safer and more convenient way to handle file closing.